Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Today I am going to teach chapter 6, Integers. Introduction. Students, in this chapter we will study what are integers, representation of integers on a number line, ordering of integers, addition of integers on a number line, subtraction of integers with the help of a number line. Integers. Now children, we know on adding two whole numbers, we always get a whole number. That is 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 36 plus 44 is equal to 80. 209 plus 11 is equal to 220. Now, in case of subtraction, we may or may not get a whole number. That is 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 23 minus 10 is equal to 13. 37 minus 21 is equal to 16. But what happens if larger number is subtracted from a smaller number? That is 7 minus 12. You will get the answer as minus 5. 10 minus 23 is equal to minus 13. 21 minus 37 is equal to minus 16. Now students, 7 minus 12, we will get the answer as minus 5. The sign that is used is the placement of a minus sign attached to the number. This indicates that numbers with a negative sign are less than 0. These are called negative numbers. As you can see children, I have shown minus 1, minus 2, that is minus sign will come before the number and you can read as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Now students, let us see that 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 plus minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 plus minus 3 is equal to 0. 4 plus minus 4 is equal to 0. Thus, we observe that minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on are opposites of 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So we can say minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on both the sides. This collection of numbers is known as integers. The collection of negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 together are called integers. Now children, the number 0 is neither positive nor negative number. Now students, represent the following positions with plus or minus sign. Children, you can see the number line is shown. Let the steps to the right of 0 be represented by plus sign and to the left of 0 be represented by minus sign. Now, if you move 8 steps to the left of 0, it can be represented as minus 8. Now, if you move 7 steps to the right of 0, it can be represented as plus 7. Again, if you move 3 steps to the right of 0, it can be represented as plus 3. Now, if you move 6 steps to the left of 0, it can be represented as minus 6. Now students, if a movement of only 1 is made to the right, we get the successor of a number. Write the successor number of the following. Students, you can see the number line is shown. Suppose the number is 9. So successor is 10. If 8, then 9. Minus 5. So minus 4. Minus 3. Minus 2. And 0, 1. Students, if a movement of only 1 is made to the left, we get the predecessor of the number. Write the preceding number of the following. The number line is shown. You have to write the preceding number. Suppose the number is given 10. So predecessor is 9, 8, then 7, 5. You will get the answer 4, minus 3, minus 4, 0, minus 1. The idea of oppositeness can be represented by symbols plus and minus sign. Since profit and loss are opposite situations, and if profit is represented by plus sign, loss can be represented by minus sign. For example, the profit of rupees 175 means plus rupees 175. The loss of rupees 175 means minus rupees 175. Similarly, temperature above 0 degree Celsius is denoted by plus sign and temperature below 0 degree Celsius is denoted by minus sign. For example, plus 20 degree Celsius means above 0 degree Celsius and minus 20 degree Celsius means below 0 degree Celsius. Representation of integers on a number line. Students, first you will draw a line and mark some points at equal distance on it as shown in the figure. Mark a point as 0 on it. Points to the right of 0 are positive integers and are marked as plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. or simply 1, 2, 3, etc. Now points to the left of 0 are negative integers and are marked as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. as shown in the figure. The number 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now, if you want to mark -6 on the number line, what you will do? Yes, first you will draw a number line and we will move 6 points to the left of 0 as shown in the figure. Now, in order to mark +2 on the number line, again we will move 2 points to the right of 0 as shown in the figure. Ordering of integers. Now children, the number line is shown. We know that 7 is greater than 4, and from the number line shown above, we observe that 7 is to the right of 4. Similarly, -3 is greater than -8. -3 is to the right of -8. Thus, we see that on a number line, the number increases as we move to the right and decreases as we move to the left. Therefore, -3 is less than -2, -2 is less than -1, -1 is less than 0, 0 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, and so on. Fill in the boxes using greater than, less than signs. 1. 0 and -8. 0 is greater than -8. 2. 5 and -5. 5 is greater than -5. 3. -1 and -15. -1 is greater than -15. 4. -20 and 2. -20 is less than 2. 5. 0 and 6. 0 is less than 6. So students, we conclude that every positive integer is larger than every negative integer. 0 is less than every positive integer. 0 is larger than every negative integer. 0 is neither a negative integer nor a positive integer. Example. By looking at the number line, answer the following questions. Which integers lie between -8 and -2? Which is the largest integer and the smallest integer among them? Now children, the number line is shown. Solution. Integers between -8 and -2 are. Students, look at the number line. You will see -7, -6, -5, -4, -3 are the integers between -8 and -2. The integer -3 is the largest and the integer -7 is the smallest. Exercise 6.1. Question 1. Write opposites of the following. A. Increase in weight. Solution. It is going to be decrease in weight. Question 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. A. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Solution. It is going to be plus 2000 meter. Question 7. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. A. 0 and minus 7. Solution. Integers between 0 and minus 7 are minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. I hope students you have understood the topics in this session. Solve the sums. Take care. Thank you.